My name is Natalie, aka GLAM Beauty, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're not new, then welcome back. Thanks for being here. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing my makeup with some recent purchases that I've made, and also some things that I had in my collection that I have not even used, and that's all in this box right here. As you can why? Let's just move past that. So yeah, I have a lot of stuff here, a lot of e.l.f., a lot of BH Cosmetics, and yeah, a decent amount of stuff in here. So let's see what I come up with using some of these products. Let me pick up that palette that just fell. So if you guys are interested on what I come up with and what I think about the new products that I'm going to try, then just keep on watching. So how have you guys been? Honestly, because I've been going through it, like mentally, physically, emotionally, everything, guys. 2020 has been one of the roughest. I thought 2019 was hard. Nothing compares to 2020, and I'm just like over it, guys. I'm over it. Like, I cried this morning. Like, it's bad news after bad news after bad news after bad news, and it was that ugly cry, like you feel me? It was that kind of cry. But anyways, that's why I'm doing my makeup today, because makeup makes me happy, and yeah, I just wanted to come on here and, you know, relieve some stress and just do my makeup. Okay guys, so I decided to use the Daisy Marquez eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna do something real simple, like real simple, and you guys already know the deal. I'm going to point and apply for my eyeshadow, and then I'll be back to do my base. I'm kind of done with the eyes. I just want to put a sparkly line right there in my crease. I picked up this Profusion Cosmetics Bling It On Glitter Eyeliner. I'm going to go in with the Topaz shade and just put a line right there. Wish me luck. So now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm gonna do my base, and I'm breaking out, guys. Like, you see this? You could play connect the dots here. You could play connect the dots. I don't know why I'm breaking out. It's most likely because of the way I'm eating, because I'm eating a lot of junk food. What's new? Okay, so I have this No Problem primer, which I got in a BoxyCharm. When was it? A long time ago, but I already finished it, so I repurchased it. I love that primer. I also purchased this e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer. So I don't know which one to use. Can I use both? Well, I want to use this one because they say that this is a dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I think I'm gonna use this one. Because why not? It's new and I should use it. But I don't want to... I was gonna say I don't want to have a lot of primers open, but I want to use it. And this one is more affordable, so let's see if it's really a dupe. Let's see. I just put 2 pumps. Ooh, sticky. Guys, this smells delicious. Oh my gosh. So for foundation, I'm gonna go in with the BareMinerals BarePro foundation. I don't know if this is my shade, but we're gonna make it work. I'm gonna use the Milani concealer. Seriously guys, this light is washing me out. I do not look this pale in person. Trust. Maybelline Fit Me powder. So for bronzer, because obviously I need it, I'm gonna use the Morphe Originator bronzer. And I'm gonna bronze the living crap out of my face. For blush, I'm gonna use this BH Cosmetics Chocolate Orange Truffle Blush palette. And I'm gonna use this color right here and blush up my face. So I kind of forgot that I purchased these little blush palettes, blush and highlighter palettes from e.l.f. These are the same size as the Bite Size eyeshadows. These are called the Bite Size Face Duo. I'm gonna use the palette Cantaloupe. I'm gonna put on the highlighter. Boom. I look like I have a mustache because of the highlighter. Highlighter mustache. Let me stop. All right, starting the lower lash line, I'm actually gonna take the first shade that we use from the Daisy Marquez palette and buff that on my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna use the second shade that we used, which was this one, and I'm gonna put that in the corner. Alright, so I'm gonna use, ooh, stay still. For the inner corner, I'm just gonna put a hint of this highlighter that I used on my face. Okay guys, so for lips, I'm gonna go in with this ColourPop lipstick in What's Your Sign. I'm just gonna dab a little bit. Just dab it on. For lip gloss, I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Send Nudes liquid lip gloss. And voila! That completes this look. I am living, guys. I love these lashes. I'm actually gonna go back on BH Cosmetics and order at least 5 more pairs because they're so lightweight and I feel like they fit my eyes so well. Like, I didn't have to cut them. They fit nice. They're so light. Love that. But yeah guys, that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Why am I rambling? I'm just feeling myself. Like, guys, makeup really boosts up my confidence, because I took a video of myself and my mood before putting on makeup, and now that I have makeup on and I feel cute, I feel so good. Like, I feel good. Oh my gosh, is this the coffee? Is it the coffee that I'm just like